Hello, thank you for all of your hard work in the Your Voices Power Creative Computing Competition. This video is all about how to finish off your entry to maximise your chances of winning and to submit it so that you can claim the prize. Remember, this is a national competition. We can't guarantee that someone from Fulford will win £500, but I really hope that you do. So I have given you this checklist, should be on class charts for you, and it guides you through what the prizes are, and the link to be able to submit at the top, but don't use that link until you've gone through this checklist. So number one, you've obviously done this because you're watching this video. This is the last in the playlist. I'd say the first one is the most important to guide you through what the competition's all about. You don't have to watch them all, but thank you for your patience with that. Number two, have you created an account on Earsketch? So remember, Earsketch is the thing where you type out your Python codes and it looks like this. If you have created an account, it will show your username up at the top and it allows you to save your code. When you create an account, it saves your code automatically for you, but it doesn't necessarily, well, it doesn't share it with anyone else unless you press the share button, and I'll guide you through how to do that in a mo. Number three, is your song between 30 seconds, that's the minimum allowed entry length, and 3 minutes, that's the maximum entry length. So for example, mine is not very good, but it goes on for, let's see, about 30 bars, which is 1 minute 56 seconds. So it's not very good, it's not going to win, but it's within this limit, so you can submit it. Next, does it have at least one sample from Pharrell Williams' Entrepreneur track? So Pharrell sponsors this competition, he's allowed a bit of self-promotion, but also this track is about the theme of what we want to promote with your song, so you have to have at least one sample from Pharrell Williams' Entrepreneur track. Which one you go for is completely up to you. You can have as many as you like. You can mix it with samples from other songs, that's fine as long as it sounds good, but you have to have one or more. Most importantly, does your song promote the theme of the competition? That means anyone, regardless of their ethnicity, their religion, their gender, their age, whoever they are, they should be able to thrive in business and in life and in fun and in play and whatever. There should be no boundaries for success in the future, especially not to do with your race. So you can do that with the lyrics. You can do that with the type of music that you choose. I've chosen the vocal track, one of the vocal tracks from Pharrell Williams' track here. You can combine those, choose the most effective part, and then I've put a link here to guide you through if you want any help with that. But you can also explain the messaging of your song with comments. So a comment is a line of code that doesn't do anything. This is not a comment, this does something useful. It puts a track in your song. This is a comment, it's still useful, but it doesn't do anything in terms of the action of your program when it runs. It just explains that I've got the let go vocals starting at bar 2 and repeating until bar 30, and that's on track 4, this one, track 4, starting at bar 2, yeah, not right at the beginning, and going on till the end. Good. And then finally, most importantly, have you shared a link to your code? So on Earsketch, you press the share button. This is the link that you need to copy. Select the whole thing, make sure there's no characters missing from your selection at the end or the start. Control-C to copy, or press the copy button. That is the link that we need. Lots of people are submitting this at the top. That is not correct. That will not take anyone to your code. It will take them to Earsketch to make their own code. I want the link to your code, so you press share, and it's this one. There we go, Control-C. Where do you submit it? Then you're ready to submit. That's the same link as this one, and it takes you to a form. I need this submitted by, come on, Control-click, 29th of March, so that I've got time to submit all of these on your behalf by the 30th of March. So I've done this already. There we go. You just have to say which year you're in. You don't have to fill this in, but it helps me keep track of who's engaging with the competition. If you say no to any of these questions, and they're the same questions as we've gone through in this checklist, you just got to restart.